What even is nutrition? Explained so it actually makes sense. You are basically a walking, talking food processing tube with opinions. Every day you throw things into your mouth, snacks, meals, drinks, and somehow your body turns all of that into energy, thoughts, movement, and life. But how? What actually happens between a bite of food and your body using it to breathe, think, and stay alive? That entire process is nutrition. And once you understand how it really works, eating healthy stops feeling confusing and starts feeling logical. Let's go inside your body and watch the whole system in action. What is nutrition, really? Nutrition is simply this: your body taking substances from food, breaking them down into tiny usable parts, absorbing them, and using them to build, repair, and power you. Those usable parts are called nutrients, the molecular building blocks your body either can't make at all or can't make enough of on its own. But before nutrients can do anything useful, they have to survive the most intense factory on Earth: your digestive system. Your body is a massive food processing factory. Imagine your body as a massive factory. Food goes in as raw material. At the other end, you get energy, cells, hormones, and life. Let's meet the machines. The mouth, the grinder. Digestion starts the second food enters your mouth. Your teeth are mechanical grinders. They break food into smaller pieces so your body can handle it. Meanwhile, saliva releases enzymes that begin breaking down carbohydrates immediately. If you rush and swallow big chunks, your stomach has to work much harder later. Chewing well isn't polite, it's biological efficiency. The stomach, the acid tank. Next stop, your stomach. This is not a gentle place. Powerful acid unfolds proteins, kills most bacteria, and turns your food into a thick, soupy mixture. This stage is like demolition, breaking big structures into smaller rubble. The small intestine, the absorption superhighway. Now the mush enters the small intestine, the true star of digestion. Here, your pancreas sends out powerful digestive enzymes that slice carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into microscopic pieces. Then comes the most important moment: absorption. The walls of your small intestine are covered in millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi, and each villus has even smaller structures called microvilli. Together, they create a gigantic surface area, like a super-absorbent sponge. This is where nutrients pass from your food into your body. The liver, the control center. Once absorbed, nutrients don't go straight into general circulation. They go to the liver first. The liver is like the quality control manager. It decides, should this be burned for energy, stored for later, sent to build tissues, or detoxified and removed? So here's the truth: you are not what you eat. You are what you digest and absorb. The big three: macronutrients. Now that nutrients are inside, what exactly are they? First, macronutrients, the ones your body needs in large amounts. There are three. Carbohydrates, your body's fast fuel. All carbs, whether bread, fruit, rice, or sugar, get broken down into one molecule: glucose. Glucose is your body's preferred quick energy source. Once glucose enters your bloodstream, two things can happen. It's used immediately for energy, or it's stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles. But glycogen storage is limited. Once full, extra glucose gets converted into body fat. Simple versus complex carbs. Not all carbs act the same. Simple carbs digest fast, rapid blood sugar spike, crash, hunger returns quickly. Complex carbs digest slowly, steady energy, longer fullness. Fiber, the special carb. Fiber is a carbohydrate your body can't digest, but your gut bacteria can. It slows sugar absorption, supports digestion, and feeds your gut microbes. Fats, the misunderstood essential. Fat is not the enemy. Your brain is mostly fat. Every cell membrane uses fat. Many hormones depend on fat. What matters is the type. Saturated fats, stable, fine in moderation. Monounsaturated fats, like olive oil, heart-friendly. Polyunsaturated fats, omega-3 and omega-6, essential but delicate. Trans fats, artificial, harmful, avoid. Protein, the bodybuilder. Protein is structural. Every cell, tissue, enzyme, and hormone relies on it. Protein is made of amino acids, 20 total. 9 are essential, meaning you must get them from food. If even one essential amino acid is missing, your body can't build properly. Protein is also key for muscle maintenance, immune strength, and recovery. And unlike carbs and fat, your body doesn't store protein well. It has to be eaten regularly. How food becomes energy. Food doesn't instantly become energy. Carbs and fats must enter tiny structures inside your cells called mitochondria. Inside mitochondria, nutrients are converted into ATP, the energy currency your body spends to think, move, and live. This system works best when your body can switch between burning glucose and fat. That ability is called metabolic flexibility. Constant snacking keeps your body stuck in sugar-burning mode and prevents fat burning. Micronutrients, small but mighty. Micronutrients don't give calories, but without them, energy production fails. Vitamins. Fat-soluble, A, D, E, K, stored. Water-soluble, B vitamins and C, need regular intake. Minerals. Electrolytes, fluid balance, nerve signals. Structural, bones and teeth. Trace minerals, iron, zinc, iodine. They act like spark plugs for your metabolism. The gut microbiome, your invisible organ. Inside your gut live trillions of bacteria. Good bacteria help digest fiber, produce anti-inflammatory compounds, and protect your gut lining. Bad conditions, stress, processed food, low fiber, damage this system and may lead to inflammation and poor health. Cellular damage, the 3 threats. Your cells face 3 major forms of damage. Inflammation, helpful short-term, harmful chronic. Oxidation, free radical damage, like rust. Glycation, excess sugar sticking to proteins, aging tissues. Fruits and vegetables help protect against these threats. Hormones that control everything. Insulin stores energy after eating. Dopamine drives cravings and reward. Cortisol releases energy during stress. Modern lifestyle overstimulates these systems. Ultra-processed foods versus biology. Natural foods evolved slowly. Ultra-processed foods are engineered for taste, addiction, and shelf life, not health. They combine sugar plus fat plus salt in unnatural ways and often include additives that may disrupt gut health. The 4-step nutrition strategy. Step 1. Remove ultra-processed foods. Eat foods that look like they came from nature. Step 2. Prioritize protein. Protein controls hunger and protects muscle. Step 3. Adjust carbs and fats. Match energy intake to activity level. Step 4. Supplement smartly. Food first, supplements only for real gaps. Nutrition isn't a diet trend, it's understanding how your body actually works and giving it the materials it needs to run properly. Master the basics and everything else becomes easier. If this helped you finally understand nutrition, hit like so more people can see it. And comment what topic you want next: gut health, hormones, fat loss, or muscle building. See you in the next one.